Hey everyone, in this video I will walk you through exactly how to use ClickFunnels in 2025 to build sales funnels, capture leads, and start converting visitors into customers, all without writing a single line of code. What is ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels is an all-in-one platform that helps you create landing pages, sales funnels, checkout pages, and automate marketing, and all from one dashboard. Use cases like selling digital and physical products, collecting leads, hosting webinars or courses, automating email sequences. Now go to clickfunnels.com and sign up for free trial or plan. Click try for free button, enter your full name and your email address. Once then complete the sign up process, like enter your card number, phone number. It is once logged in, you will land on the ClickFunnels dashboard. Look like that. Once logged in, you will land on the ClickFunnels dashboard. From here, you can build funnels, manage contacts, automate emails with Actionetics, view sales, and analytics. Now let's build your first funnel. Go to funnel section or click build a funnel. Choose a goal like collect emails, sell product, host webinar, name your funnel and hit create funnel. Choose a template for your landing page and thank you page. Start simple with a lead generation funnel to grow your email lists. ClickFunnels has a drag and drop editor, super beginner friendly. Click edit page next to any funnel steps. Use drag and drop to change headline text, images, or videos. Forms or buttons, customize colors, fonts, animations, then click save. And when done, select a form action like email collection or payment processing. Now click funnels, email integration. Let's connect your funnel to an email tool. Go to settings, then integration. Choose your email service like MailChimp, ConvertKit, etc. Connect your API key. In the page editor, click on the form, set action, send to email list. Use ClickFunnels built-in tool, follow-up funnels if you want everything inside one platform. For a professional look, connect your custom domain. Go to account settings, then domains, enter register a new one or connect an existing domain. Now update DNS settings on your domain provider with the A or CNAME records. One ClickFunnels gives you. Almost there. Let's test your funnel. Click the preview button from your dashboard. On each step, submit a test email to test payment. Use test mode. Make sure your thank you page automation and emails are working properly. Then hit publish and your funnel is live. After launch, use analytics to improve performance. Go to the funnels stats section. Check conversion rates, page views, opt-in rates. Run A/B tests by cloning pages and testing different headlines, buttons, or layouts. That's how to use ClickFunnels in 2025. From funnel setup to launch, all in under 10 minutes. Like and subscribe, comment below if you want new video. Links in the description for free templates and more tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Keep improving your funnel to increase leads and sales over time.